problem number 1. Figure ABCD is a square. P and Q are the midpoints of sides AB and BC respectively, and R is the center of the square. What is the ratio of the area of quadrilateral PRQD, okay, that's this shaded thing here, to the area of the square? Alright, well, we don't have any dimensions, so we can kind of just set the dimensions to whatever we want. And what if we just said, okay, this is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit. That's kind of a nice round number that is easily divided by 2, right? So the whole thing is 2, and if that was the case, then the area of the square, is equal to what? It's basically a 2 by 2 square, so the area would be 4 in this case, right? And so now what's the area of this shaded quadrilateral? The key to figuring that out is to take the area of the square and subtract out the white parts, okay? And then what you'll have left is the gray part. If you try to find the area of this quadrilateral directly, it's a little more complicated. You'd have to break it up somehow, and it'd be kind of difficult probably. But the easy way to do it is to look at the areas of the white parts. So if this is a square, then the length of this side is 2, and we have a triangle that's has one leg that's 2, and one leg that's 2, and one leg that's 1. So 1/2 base times height would give us an area of 1, right? And the same way down here, this is 2, so base is 2, height is 1, and so this 1/2 base times height would be 1, and here we have a 1 by 1 square, so the area here is 1 as well. Okay, and if we took the area of the square, so let's find the area of PRQD. That would just be 4 minus 1, 1, 1. So 4 minus 3, which is 1, which would give us a ratio of the area of the quadrilateral to the area of the square as 1 to 4, or we could write it as 1/4. Okay. Another way to look at it is if you were to break this triangle, this square up into smaller squares. Okay, so if I were to break this up like this, then let's get rid of that for now. Then you can see that there's a rectangle here, AP, let's just call this X, APXD, okay? And you can see that the white part here is half of it. And you can see that the whole rectangle is 2 square units, so half of that would be 1 square unit. So again, you would get the same thing as 1. You see, you can either do 1/2 base times height, or you can just recognize that this triangle is half of an area that's 2 square units, okay? The same way with this triangle as well. It's half of this quadrilateral, let's say we call this Y, then it would be the quadrilateral YQCD. And so the white area down here is also 1, which we figured out with 1/2 base times height as well. So either way, you can do it, and you'll get a ratio of 1 to 4. Okay? So that is the answer.